We're going to keep the head where it is, but bring the bum up so you can get straight legs. If not, it doesn't matter. But we're releasing the body through the hips with gravity, letting the body fall towards the floor. We'll breathe in again through the mouth and out through the mouth. 1. Really letting go on the exhalation, letting the body fall forward. 2. Feeling the release. Conscious. 3. Again, in through the nose and out through the mouth. 1. 2. Now keep everything relaxed, but focus on the pelvic floor. Connect and roll yourself back up through one vertebra at a time. Really letting the shoulders and the arms release. Stay relaxed. Use the abdominals all the way up into the diaphragm.